Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to design eye-catching YouTube banners that make your channel stand out? Click the Create button to start a new project. In the search bar, type banner and press enter. From the results, select YouTube banner to begin designing a banner specifically for YouTube. You can also browse additional design templates to find inspiration and customize your banner further as needed. Inside the Template tab, browse available designs and select your preferred style to customize the appearance of your project easily. Select a YouTube banner template, for example, this one. Click to choose it, and it will be displayed in the main preview area. You can now see your selected banner and start customizing it to match your channel brand. Edit the details by clicking in the provided fields. To add an image, click the Attach Image button, select your file, and upload. Repeat the process to add additional images as needed for your entry. You can add elements before recommending them. To do this, simply select the element you want and click to add it to your current project. Next, let's lock this magic recommendation. Find the lock icon next to the recommendation and click on it. This will prevent any unwanted changes. Once locked, the recommendation remains protected, ensuring no one else can edit or move it without your approval. Now you can edit the text by clicking directly on it. You can also change the font, size, or color using the toolbar above to customize everything exactly as you like. Type your YouTube channel name into the provided text field. Make sure to enter it exactly as you want it to appear. Next, locate the effects options below or beside the text box. Browse through the available effects to customize your channel name's appearance. Click on an effect to preview how it looks. When you find one you like, select it to apply the effect to your channel name. Review your changes before continuing. After finalizing your design, you can change the background if desired. Look for the background settings, choose a new style or color, and apply it to update your design instantly. Click the Share button, then select Download. Adjust the size as needed and download your file as a PNG or other available format. Select Video Print to ensure the highest print quality for your project. Then click the Download button to save your file. Now you know how to design your own YouTube banner with Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.